Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Spencerville and Westernport Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. Long-distance moving is exciting and risky at the same time. Therefore, you have to choose movers that you can trust for transporting your belongings safely. The best way to ensure that the mover you have selected follows the FMCSA regulation is to check the FMCSA certificate. With 3 movers, you do not have to bother about anything. We are registered and have licenses from all the authorities and regulatory bodies. Our team provides a bill of lading and mentions the services agreed upon by both the parties in it. Only after the patrons sign the bill do we consider the assignment. 3 Movers offers 1-hour moving services in the local distance when you need to move the packed stuff. You can also pick same-day moving and ask the team to manage everything. They will visit the house, pack the essentials using safety sheets, and move it to the new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spencerville and Westernport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.